Buzios, a charming coastal town located on the southeastern coast of Brazil, offers a captivating blend of natural beauty, vibrant culture, and a relaxed atmosphere that draws visitors seeking both tranquility and excitement. Originally a fishing village, Buzios gained international prominence when it was visited by actress Brigitte Bardot in the 1960s, putting it on the map as a fashionable and picturesque destination. The town's stunning beaches are a major draw, with each offering its own unique charm. Jaraúba Beach is known for its ideal conditions for surfing and water sports, while Ferradura Beach boasts calm waters perfect for swimming and snorkeling. João Fernandes Beach is a haven for beachgoers, offering clear waters, fine sands, and a variety of water-based activities. Rua das Pedras, the main street in Buzios, is a bustling hub of restaurants, boutiques, art galleries, and cafes. This vibrant pedestrian thoroughfare comes alive in the evenings, offering a lively ambience where visitors can dine on local cuisine, shop for artisan crafts, and enjoy live music and entertainment. Boat tours are a popular way to explore the beauty of Buzios coastline and nearby islands. Visitors can embark on cruises that provide opportunities for snorkeling, swimming, and diving in the crystal-clear waters. The calm bay and rich marine life make it an idyllic spot for underwater exploration. The Buzios Peninsula offers numerous viewpoints that provide breathtaking panoramic vistas of the coastline and the Atlantic Ocean. The Mirante do Forno viewpoint is a favorite among visitors, offering a spectacular sunset view that showcases the town's beauty in the changing light. Buzios' culinary scene is a highlight, with an array of restaurants offering fresh seafood, Brazilian cuisine, and international flavors. The town's mix of cultures is reflected in its diverse dining options, catering to both gourmet enthusiasts and those seeking simple beachside fare. Art and culture thrive in Buzios, with various art galleries and cultural spaces showcasing the works of local and international artists. The Casamar Cultural Center, for example, hosts exhibitions, workshops, and events that contribute to the town's creative spirit. The town's laid-back ambience and picturesque landscapes have made it a sought-after destination for wellness and relaxation. Yoga retreats, wellness centers, and spa facilities offer holistic experiences that allow visitors to rejuvenate and unwind in a tranquil setting. In essence, Buzios encapsulates the essence of a Brazilian coastal paradise, with its stunning beaches, cultural vibrancy, and serene atmosphere. Whether it's exploring beautiful shores, indulging in local flavors, embracing artistic expressions, or simply basking in the town's relaxed ambience, Buzios invites travelers to embark on a journey that captures the allure of coastal Brazil.